Hi, my name is Donna Miller, and I'm going to show you how to get the heart on here and other special characters that you might find on the font. So this is the Hello Honey font, and you can see that it has the long lines for beginning and ending. It has some ligatures, and it also has the heart that you can put in between words or letters. So the problem is when you go to your Cricut design space and you start typing in the word that you want and you change it to the font that you want, it doesn't automatically show up with the extra lines and the heart. So you need to tell your computer to do that, and I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So at the bottom in the search engine, right where Contora is at on your computer, you want to type in the word character map, and it's going to pop up this first one that is an app that you can see. It should be automatic on every Windows computer. You just never knew about it and you don't use it very often, except for when you want to use special characters. And this app is also free, and I've seen other YouTubers try to make you pay for a program that does this for free, so please don't pay for a program. It's already free on your computer. So now that we have our character map open, at the top you want to scroll down and find the font that you want to use. This one we're going to use the Hello Honey, and it says personal use because you cannot use this font to sell unless you pay for the commercial license. So I'm going to select that font that I want to use. So I'm going to start typing in the letters that I want my title to be. If you were going to use a big paragraph, this would get long and drawn out. I would probably just click the character that you want to import and not type in the whole phrase, but I like typing in the whole phrase. So when you get to where you want to put in your special character, you want to go to Character Set, select Unicode, make sure the Advanced View is checkboxed, go to Group By, and change it from All to Unicode Sub-Range. So that's going to open up another separate little window where it says Group By, and you want to select the one that says Private Use Characters. So click on that one so it's highlighted. You'll notice over there on the left, the other window changed the different settings, so now you can see the different hearts, and you need to find the letter that you want it to connect with. So I'm going to choose the E for the, and I'm going to hit the select button. Now I want to go back to the normal letters, so I'm going to go from Unicode Sub-Range, and I'm going to change that back to all. And I'm going to go ahead and finish clicking in the rest of the letters in my name. So I want to have the exaggerated long line on the last letter, so I'm going to go by Group By, change it to Unicode Sub-Range, go to Private Use of Characters, and select the one that I want. And then you're going to hit the copy button, and we're going to go into Cricut Design Space at this point. So then you're going to open up a text box, and you're going to have to use the keyboard to get this to work. So you're going to hold down the Control button and the letter V as in Victor at the same time. This is the only way it will work. You cannot right click and hit the paste button, unfortunately. So this is going to paste in our words in Cricut Design Space. So now that you have your words pasted in, you're probably looking at me scratching your head saying, wait a minute, that does not look like what we just created. So you're going to go up to the font selection at the top of your screen, and you need to change it to the font that you're using. In this example, we're using the Hello Honey font, so I'm going to change it to the Hello Honey font. So now that we got the font that we want, all you need to do is change the letter space here and make it smaller so that everything will connect together. And then once you connect everything together, all we have to do is hit the weld button, and that will make sure that there's no weird cuts in between your letters. So this is a really great way on how to get something into Cricut Design Space that has a heart for cutting out vinyl, or if you wanted to use this for a stencil, if you wanted to use this to write or to etch with a pen, then you're going to want to learn how to fill in the T and the H, and you'll need to keep watching my YouTube channel because in the next couple weeks I will have more videos on how to make fonts thicker in size so that they're not too thin when you want to cut or to draw. And then I'm going to also show you how to engrave or use the foil quill better so that it will actually color in the letters. So thank you so much for joining me, and I hope you found this video helpful. Please click and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell so you don't miss out on anything.